Happy Independence Day to all the Indians, to all the residents of Tripura, to all the teachers of Tripura, to all the students of Tripura. I am 10,323 teachers of Tripura. I personally need help from the NGOs of India or outside India for legal help. I want to file a case in the Supreme Court of India for getting permission to commit suicide. Few months ago, I emailed our Honorable President to give me permission so that I can commit suicide. I, 10,323, I was a teacher. Few years ago, I got job as a government teacher. But after few months, some unemployed youth filed case against us. By the verdict of the Supreme Court, from this case, I lost my job and I have to suffer from a social harassment because by the verdict of the Supreme Court, the recruitment policy by which I have got my job has been cancelled. But but by the administrative system, by the administrative officer and the political leaders had terminated us without knowing the verdict properly in the year 2017. By the verdict of the Supreme Court, around 20,000 teachers have to terminated. But in the verdict of the Supreme Court, it was cleared that only 462 teachers whose recruitment has been challenged by the unemployed youth has been cancelled. But the then government has terminated us without knowing the verdict properly. Right now, we have got we had got our job in the year 2010, but after 2010 and before 2010 around 20,000 teachers has been appointed in the education department of Tripura by the same recruitment policy. So how it could be possible that with the same verdict of the Supreme Court where the recruitment policy was cancelled, but the administrative officers and the political leaders implemented the verdict in two different rules, in two differently. So by this video, I want to get help from some NGOs who can help me legally so that I can get permission from the Supreme Court of India to commit suicide, because in last 5 years I mentally and physically totally broke up by the social harassment. The teachers who has recruited in the education department of Tripura by the same recruitment policy also use Ojuggo whenever they have to say something about 10,323. Even the teachers who has appointed before 2010 also using the same word Ojuggo. I have to make clear one more things. The recruitment policy which has been cancelled by the Supreme Court of India, by the same recruitment policy around 50,000 teachers has been appointed in Tripura government, several government departments. But for lack of education, you can say, or for lack of knowledge, or to please the government, the administrative officer wrongly implemented the verdict of the Supreme Court. For that reason, we are suffering from this mental torturing. So I beg to the NGOs of India and outside India to help me legally so that I can get permission from the Supreme Court of India to commit suicide so that I can rest in peace from this social harassment. Namaskar.